All right, so here's one story that taught me never put all of your eggs in one basket. So I had been working on this website for 5 or 6 years, built the website up to the #1 site in the niche. It was about 70,000 visitors a month, all through search engine optimization. I was making thousands of dollars a month. I was really happy with where things were at. But do you hear what I said? All of it was built up on search engine optimization. At one point, and this is about over 10 years ago, a Google algorithm update came out, hit the website, Google changed the rules, and all that SEO traffic went away. So at that point, I had the decision to make, do I want to rebuild this back up, or do I want to try to do something else? And because it was so much work, and it was only thousands and thousands of dollars, it wasn't a huge amount of money, I decided to go in a different direction. But had I started at the beginning with a diversified portfolio of traffic, I had traffic coming in from a whole bunch of different sources, even if I wasn't making as big of a return on that traffic, I wouldn't have had to just let the site go. So you should always have a diversified portfolio of everything you do in life.